Hi everyone. So 3 weeks ago I bought DJI Avata and I was using it constantly. Everything was perfect. I loved it. But then 2 weeks ago I decided to do a range test in the sea. Stupidly I did it when the tide was low and it got too windy. The battery started draining really fast. I didn't manage to fly it back home and something happened. So if you want to see what happened, just keep watching the video.
Hi everyone, so today I'm in Dublin. I have my DJI Avata here with me, and my intention is to test the range with the motion controller and the goggles too. So let's just go ahead and fly it in the beach and see how far it goes. So here it is. This is the drone, as you can see. And now I'm just gonna fly it as far as I can. So here we go. I'm in normal mode now. This is the beach close to Dublin. It's called Sandy Mount. Let me just go a little bit faster with sports mode. As you can see, it's a bit windy. It's tilting the drone a little bit to the right, but yeah, let's give it a try. So right now we are at 300 meters and 7.9 meters of altitude. Let's just keep pushing it. There's barely any obstruction, so it should go a little bit further than as usual. As you can see on the bottom right side of my screen, I have almost full signal. I'm losing a little bit of signal with the goggles, but still good enough to see the footage. Okay, it's getting a little bit worse now. At almost 1K, okay, signal was almost lost. It's completely red. Yeah, and the controller is also not good. So I'm just gonna turn it, go back, and probably there's a little bit of obstruction from the coastline. So I'm just gonna try to go more towards the sea and see if I can gain a bit of signal. Yeah, got it. So let's go even further now. So 1 kilometer right now. That's awesome. Let's keep pushing it. Yeah, I recovered quite a lot of signal. 1,200 meters. Let's aim for 1,500. 1,400. 1,500. Amazing. And the signal is fully recovered, almost. 1,600. 1,700. Oh, let's try to get to 2 kilometers. Almost there. 1,900. 2,000. Amazing. 2 kilometers. As you can see, I got a warning saying that the wind is a bit strong. That's why the drone is a little bit tilted. Let me go closer to the ocean. 5 meters altitude and 2,300 meters away from me. That's way more than I expected. The remote controller has still a lot of range, like the signal is full. The goggles are losing a bit, but not bad. Whoa, the drone is tilting so much. Hope not to lose it. It's not flying where I wanted to fly. I'll probably just turn it back. The wind is too strong. Now, let's keep pushing it to 3K. We can make it. Oh, low battery. Damn it. Okay, it's warning me. No, let's push it. We push it to 300. We're almost there. 3,000, sorry. Okay. 3K, so let's just fly it back. As you can see, the battery is orange because it's warning me that I might not be able to come back. So I'm just gonna go full speed back home, but the wind is so strong. I'm afraid I might not be able to get back. I think it's the furthest I've gone with the drone, and also the wind is so strong. It's open like in the ocean, so there's nothing to cover it. 40%, 40. Come on, droney, you can make it. Oh, I feel it's almost going. Shit. 35. Oh no. The wind is not letting me fly. I'm gonna lose it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. At least if I reach the coast. %. Come on, come on, come on. You can make it. Shit. Shit, 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 shit. Come on. You can make it. 15%. 12%. And 1 kilometer left. 9%, damn it. No, 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 it's going to land. I'm gonna go and swim for it. Critical low. Fuck sake. Shit, I lost the drone. Fuck's sake. I couldn't make it. Damn it. No, fuck. At 900 meters. Okay, the range is good. Let's see how I lose the drone under the water. I hope it floats. It's painful, you know, to see how your drone has 3% and it's dying. The tide here might go lower, like in an hour or so. So if the current doesn't take him away, I could be able to retrieve it, but who knows? Maybe the current will be too strong and it will just go away and get lost into the sea. Oh, it's letting me fly a bit more. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You can make it. At least go closer to me so that I can find you. No, 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 no. Don't die. I think the wind killed it. It's just the battery drained so fast. .700 meters. just flying at 2 meters per second now, so really slow, but hopefully enough to get it closer to me. Bad thing is that it's salty water, so I'll probably... No, it's not moving anymore. Oh, no, it's drowning. It's drowning. Shit. Went off.
So I came out to search for the drone, and here we are where it got lost. And after like an hour of searching with the bikes and also with my other drone, we finally found it. Here it is. So I'm pretty sure it won't work anymore because it's all wet, but I'll leave it dry for a couple of days, maybe a week or so, and then I'll try to turn it on. So at least I recovered the filter and the battery if it didn't die, and well, extra propellers and everything.
So it's been 2 days now. I came back home and I immediately put it into rice. I forgot to document that part of the experience, but here we are now. So I have a fully charged battery. This is not the one that it was in the drone. The one that was in the drone, I unplugged it and I submerged it into rice as well. So this is a brand new battery. Here's the drone. Let's see if it works. I assume it won't work because it has some bits of salt everywhere. So if the salt got in, it probably burned all the circuits. As for the, I recovered my ND filter, that's in perfect state, and also the SD card. So okay, and the SD card works, so not too bad. So first, let me close this here. No, it's not even spinning, the motor. Oh, there's a piece of rice in it that got stuck. I think there's still some rice stuck in the motors because they are a bit hard. Okay, closed. Let's see. So the camera moves. This one is free of rice. This propeller, nope, this propeller has something inside. Something inside. Something inside. Let me take this away for a second. Okay. Some rice came off. No, there's still something. Still something. Okay, this one moves. This one moves. So let me just take a look here to see if I can spot anything. I don't see any piece of rice in there, so it could probably be just salt. It's solidified and that's why it's all so hard, so stiff. So let me just hit it a bit. Okay, seems something came off. Yeah, I think here it's because of salt. And then what about here? Probably the same. Yeah, I'm assuming the worst here. So time to check how it goes. So let's put the battery on. I hope the battery doesn't die, but just maybe a short circuit or something by plugging it in. So let's see. did something, right? So the LED is not turning on. Oh, one propeller moves and then it turns off. Let me show it again. So the battery's there, it's not on. If I turn it on, that propeller moves and then it turns off. So yeah, probably the circuits are all fried. Such a shame. I'll have to use the warranty. I bought the package to be able to get 2 drones in a period of a year or something like that, so I'll just try to get a new one.
So yeah, as you can see, I managed to recover the drone. I immediately shipped it back to DJI and I asked for a brand new drone. I got the new one like in 3 working days approximately, and I think I just paid like 60 euros or so. So if you're new into the FPV drone flying and if you get DJI Avata, I totally recommend you to get the DJI Care Plus, which allows you to get 2 new drones in case of an accident. And if you ship the old one back, like the broken one, then you don't have to pay as much. I think if you don't ship it back, then it costs around 300 euros. So yeah, I got here a brand new Avata that I've been trying. No range tests at the moment, and if I ever do it again, I'll make sure to do it in low tide or in a place where I can recover it. So that's everything, and if you enjoyed the video and want to see more, click on subscribe and like. Thanks.